Hello everyone, welcome to Ragula training. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use your dashboard after purchasing our Duolingo Mock Test package. Many students purchase the package but get confused about where to access the mock tests and study materials. So in this video, I'll explain everything step by step. Step 1, log into your dashboard. First, open the link shared by our team. Once you open the link, you can see a dashboard like this. Now click on login, enter the username and password. Once you log in successfully, you will reach your dashboard. On the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Verify that your name is displayed correctly. This confirms that you have logged into your own dashboard. Step 2, access mock test. Now look at the menu bar. Here, click on online tests. Once you click on online test, you will see two sections. Item-wise tests and mock tests. Click on mock tests. These are the full-length mock tests. You will get access to 12 full-length mock tests designed to simulate the real Duolingo English test experience. I strongly recommend attempt these tests seriously to understand your current performance level. Then you will see item-wise tests over here. These are the section-wise mock tests where you can practice individual question types separately. This helps you improve your weak areas before attempting the full-length exam. After completing any mock test, simply click on View Analysis. Here you can check your estimated score, performance report, strong and weak areas, question-wise analysis. This analysis helps you understand where you are losing marks and what you should improve before taking the actual exam. This is all about mock test. Now coming to the study materials. Here you can see learning tools. Click on learning tools, click on study material. Here you will find all the materials included in your package. First, unique methods and templates for DET. This is one of our most valuable materials. It contains methods and templates for speaking and writing sections. Around page number 20, you will find the most frequently repeated topics in the Duolingo English test. I highly recommend practice these topics multiple times. And then you can see templates PDF. These are the shortcut templates. This material contains shortcut templates specially designed for students who have limited preparation time. If you follow these templates properly, they can help you perform better in the speaking and writing sections. And there is another material called DET Prep Guide. Coming to this guide, this material covers almost all sections of the Duolingo English test. It includes explanations, strategies, and practice guidance for different question types. This material is especially useful for students who feel their English basics need improvement. It focuses on vocabulary and general English improvement, helping you build confidence for the exam. Finally, you will find the exam checklist. This is extremely important. It explains pre-exam requirements, laptop and mobile phone settings, rules and regulations, common mistakes that may lead to test invalidation. Please read this checklist carefully before taking your actual exam. That's all about your dashboard. I recommend that you first go through the study materials, practice the section-wise mock test, and then attempt the full-length mock test. Also, make sure to review your analysis after every test and work on your weak areas. If you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to contact our team. We are always happy to help you. Thank you and all the very best for your Duolingo English test.